The environments and content we expose ourselves to regularly can significantly impact our internal state and energy levels. Have you ever noticed how immersing yourself in negative or disturbing content can draw you deeper into those feelings? It's almost like an invisible force pulling you in. For example, spending excessive time on social media or consuming constant news updates can unconsciously attract you to those topics, creating a sort of emotional drain. Social media algorithms often push us toward more and more negative content, keeping our vibrational energy low. It is worth noting that there may be an interest in maintaining us in a state of low energy and vibration, as it can make us more susceptible to external control. When our vibrational frequency is low, our mood and overall health can suffer. Long-term exposure to low vibrations can lead to chronic issues like anxiety or depression. Low vibrations can disconnect us from our inner guidance and divine essence. When our energy is burdened with negativity, accessing our inner wisdom becomes much more challenging. We may feel spiritually drained, lost, or disconnected from our purpose. Achieving a deep connection with your higher self and reaching higher states of consciousness requires maintaining a high vibrational state. This starts with protecting your energy from being depleted by negative influences. You have the power to shield yourself from low vibrations and raise your energy even when it feels at its lowest. It begins with recognizing the sources of low vibrations in your life and employing strategies to protect yourself from them. These actions can help you regain your vitality, peace, and inner balance. Start by creating a supportive environment. Spaces filled with conflict, hostility, or negativity emit low vibrations, similar to a factory releasing toxic waste. This can include places with constant stress, tension, or emotional upheaval. Even more insidious can be the low vibrations generated by consuming news or media that thrives on fear, insecurity, or violence. Engaging in entertainment that glorifies aggression, such as violent movies or games, can also lower your vibrational frequency. So, how do you protect yourself from these influences? Begin by identifying your needs and boundaries and communicate them clearly to others. This might mean declining requests that don't align with your values or setting clear expectations in your relationships. You should have open discussions with friends and loved ones about your limits, what behaviors you find acceptable, and standing firm if those boundaries are crossed. Limit your exposure to news, social media, and other content that negatively affects your state of mind. Remember, setting boundaries isn't about being selfish, it's about self-care, so you can bring your best self to all areas of your life. Just as we establish physical boundaries, we must also create energetic boundaries, not only with external situations, but also with our inner thoughts. To handle low vibrations from within, recognize and release negative thoughts as they arise. Develop an awareness of how certain actions or events trigger negative thinking, leading you toward worry or negativity. Techniques like meditation and mindfulness can help with this process. Meditation teaches you to observe thoughts as they come and go without attachment. When negative thoughts arise, recognize them, but don't engage. Let them pass like clouds in the sky. Over time, this detachment allows you to regain control over your mind rather than letting it control you. This approach connects you more closely to your higher self, which is inherently positive and pure. Mindfulness helps you stay present, letting go of judgment and fostering inner peace. It's crucial to balance mental practices with physical ones, as both aspects are deeply interconnected. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, hydration, and rest positively impact both body and mind. Just as we release emotional burdens, we must also let go of physical stress. Grounding is a helpful practice for this. Just as the sun's energy affects us, The Earth's surface provides a direct source of stabilizing energy. Walking barefoot on grass, soil, or sand can help discharge negative energy and restore balance. Connecting with nature, whether hiking, sitting by a river, or breathing fresh air, can also elevate your mood and raise your vibrational energy. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting people who make you feel good. If you can't find them, strive to be one of those people for others. This will naturally raise your energy and positively influence those around you. Lastly, practicing gratitude daily can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, enhancing your overall energy and attracting more positivity into your life.